What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to pair and set up the Ninebot E3, E3 Pro right now in 2026. Actually, it will be valid for all the times here. So what you need to do is to download official app, which is called Kugoo Mobility app here. Open it up, go to all your scooter if you have one, add a device, Bluetooth, search and connect. Then it will search for nearby devices as you see Ninebot Series E3. Click on it, then it's connecting. Then you need to click on power button here to connect and pair. So click one time, then you see device pairing successfully written here. Click OK. Then it will be attached with your account. If you don't have account, so you need to create it in advance. Click next, binding now as you see. Okay, bind successfully. Then you need to please watch the riding video. Okay, as you see it's restarted, ride safely. Okay, you can skip this video, click done, congratulations. So then it's attached to your device. Then you can change all the settings, increase the speed and touch any other, like for example, the maximum sport mode can be up to 32. So here you can adjust all these lighting settings and the scooter will be binned to your device.